Your YouTube titles might be killing your views without you even realizing it. Here are 3 common mistakes you must avoid. Mistake number 1, using too many hashtags in your title. This makes your title look spammy and unprofessional. It reduces clicks instead of increasing them. Mistake number 2, using vague or unclear titles. If people don't instantly understand your video, they will simply scroll past it. Mistake number 3, clickbait titles that don't deliver. When viewers feel misled, they leave quickly and YouTube stops recommending your video. So what's the solution? Use a clear title formula: keyword plus benefit plus curiosity. Your title should be simple, searchable, and honest. Fix your titles, and your views will improve. Follow for more YouTube growth tips. This video is created by Private Label Experts, an institute that has trained more than 300 successful clients. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others so they can benefit too. Thank you for your support.